Good morning. This morning is gray. Okay. By car is a good idea because I'm a little bit lazy today. Okay, oh, where's my guy? Oh, it's not here. I forgot about it. Here. Oh, yes, I know my car is dirty. Sorry for that. Look at my neighbor. Oh, it's so dirty. Okay, it's time to go. We're going to some place. I forgot the names of this place. So Nadine is showed me this place maybe 1 month ago. I forgot the mask.
Mask, we don't have.
Can we go without the mask? Like this one, no? It's okay?
It will be so sad if you take this one and stuff will say you go out. Goodbye. 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 So let's go to the bagels.
Morning guys, I've done my video. I mean, I almost done because I have to check white balance because if you see it's super yellow, I don't like it. This is the backstage video of some music project. My friend invited me to be like an assistant and I did it. I like this red light, wow. Now I'm going to one shooting. I found my first client. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of her because you know when you find something new in your life, it makes you more happy. And check my shelf, I have 3 lines here, everything full of my equipment. I got my 2 new batteries. I didn't use it, but I hope it will be fine. And different chargers, my camera, my I don't know what is it. Oh, it's my filter, okay. It's funny because in America you can buy it very easy, because when I was in Russia it was a little bit hard for me because everything was so expensive, but here it's fine. And I got 2 legs for my DJI Mavic Pro. It's the first version, and if you see it was broken over here. I tried to make it, but it's look very awful now, so I hope it will be fine because I got 2 new legs. But not today. Okay, let's put everything to my back page. It's new one too.
Yes.
Thank you for this.
Yes.
How many batteries do I need? I think I will keep everything because I don't know, my shooting will be just 1 hour, but if any case, maybe the location will be pretty or very cold, I don't know. I just want to be a professional guy here. It's very important for me, for my life. So yeah, this is what I will use today. My batteries for the camera, batteries from the monitor. I like this monitor, but it has a little trouble in this corner. I think I will refine it. I hope I will. I'm not sure about it because I'm a little bit lazy. This is my new lens from Makey, I don't know how to say it. It's 14mm to my crop camera, full manual. I hope it will be not a trouble for me in my future. Okay, so the filters for the lenses, I don't know what is it, it's just for make everything clean, and cable for the monitor. And I don't know, will I use a tripod today, but I will take it. Why not? Because if you have everything, you just feel yourself better, right? Okay, now it's 1:30, I will go in 30 minutes. If you saw my last video when I told about how to make your first client, how to find somebody to your first project, it was a little bit hard, but I found it because I changed my description in Instagram page, and every week somebody write me again and again. I like it. The price, everything is different, but anyway, behind all of this, I like it so much because I really try to find another way to make money here in Los Angeles. Because if you don't know me, I arrived to this country almost 2 years ago, and it's really hard to make money to live in California because life here is very expensive. Wow, look at that, guys! I think it's so humid here because the ocean next to me, very close. Yes, I'm driving using the cruise control, 72 miles by hour. I think it's more than enough. Wow, it's looks amazing. I mean, this is why I like this state, California. I like the mountains and the hills, the ocean, everything, because this is nature. This is a part of me. I like it. Okay, let's go back to this line. Sorry, you have to go. Look at that sign, guys. This is sign means that I arrived to Air Force Base. Like, what? Really? What are you talking about, man? What am I doing here? I don't know. Okay, now I'm following this red car. This is a guy who was invite me. Next 2 hours I was recording basketball training with Ox, the guy who was invited me to the shooting. It was interesting, but I think I need more experience for shooting sports video because I had little problem with settings because there wasn't enough light for my camera because I wanted to film everything with slow motion, and my shutter was around 120 or 50, and it's not ready yet, but I will do it on this week. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my Instagram and I will upload it when it will be ready. And now let's go back to my morning routine. I forgot how to use this mask. Is it fine or not? I think no. She will okay. I used to go to this laundry when I was living next to this corner. It was very close. It's a Cambridge Street. But now we live together, not far from my last place, around 3 minutes by the car. Okay, she's coming, it's good. California looks sadly today, but I like this weather. It's not hot. Okay. Okay, you or me?
You?
Okay, you're happy, he is not.
The veggie is the sandwich, but you have to get the veggie.
Yeah. I mean, do you have vegetarian? No meat, no meat. Here you are. 2 Bengals here. Okay. Let's go home. We were waiting around 15 or 10 minutes and now it's almost sunny. Oh, and this means it's almost hot because I'm already wet. That's it. This is our working place because every evening we sit down to this sofa and learning English. And if you see that house, the sound goes up every evening behind these trees. Sunset time, we love it.
After breakfast you feel good. After breakfast you feel good?
I am. You know, guys, when I arrived to the United States, I had a dream. And this dream was about how to make money with directing, how to be a part of film processing, because this is all about me. And I have a dream right now, because I'm just at the beginning of this long way to the top. If you want rock and roll, if you know this song by AC/DC. If you remember, like I told you before, it was my first client in the United States, and I think I'm really proud of myself. And I've changed the description about myself, what can I do, what is my skill, and people write me every week. It really works here in this country and maybe in other countries, I don't know. And now I have simple plan how to get more clients. Just record everything what I can, upload it to my Instagram and to follow to another guys and get more and more clients. And I think it will be work because it's a really good way. So if you still have interest to my person as a guy who just arrived to a new country, who don't speak English well, who don't understand people well, but try to find his way, please subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'd like to show you everything that I can. See you in next video. Bye guys.